What's up, friends? This is Patrick with Pomo FCC, where I attempt to do 25 minutes or a Pomodoro of free code camp every day. It's been a few days um, since I've done a video. Pretty much been doing other things and not committing myself to doing the 25 minutes a day. But today I jumped back on it. So, you know, the best time to start again is right now. So we are on the first of the responsive web design projects, which is build a Trippy page. This is going to be a shorter video because I'm just going to go over what I did in the 25 minutes today. So here is, I did save. For some reason it's not loading up the viewer down here. So yeah, the pin is saved. For some reason, I need to reload or something. There we go. So pretty much I'm going to do one on Thomas Edison. It just seemed like an easier subject I could use for the tribute page because, of course, the content and the subject matter really doesn't matter all that much. It's all about getting the stuff right in here. So it's basically going to look like their example page they gave on Free Code Camp. But there's going to be Thomas Edison. There's going to be a timeline down here. I didn't finish filling that out before time ran out. But I went ahead and got the image in and the heading, caption, and then you got a H3 here and then an unordered list. So this does pass most of the tests. What I did was I went through and went ahead and put out the bare bones skeleton for all the user stories you need to complete for this one, including having a main or having a section ID main, this title, this image div, this image, a caption with an ID image caption, tribute info, and then I think there's a couple more things I need to add. Plus I got to make the picture responsive, but I'll get all that done once I get all this content filled out for the timeline, and make sure I have a link at the bottom. I think that's another thing I have to do. So let's go to this test suite here. We're going to run it. In case you're wondering how to get this, you just fork what they have down here. Click on this, it'll bring you to their pin. You fork it over to your pin, and then you can use it to build out your page or whatever, your project, and then you can run the tests right here in CodePen. So let's run the test. You can see I'm passing 8 out of 10, missing the link and the responsive image, as I said before. But that's how far I got in about 25 minutes. So most of the next 25 minutes is going to be fleshing out this content and fixing up some CSS to make it look a little bit nicer. Yeah, so that's about it. If you watch this, appreciate it. But yeah, hopefully I can get on it tomorrow and not procrastinate, end up doing other things that take up my time. What is it? Procrastination by busyness, I guess you could say. But yeah, so that's what I got done in 25 minutes. And by the end of the 25 minutes tomorrow, I should be done with this project. Some of the other projects, like the technical documentation page and the personal portfolio, might take up a little bit more. I kind of wish they moved this personal portfolio down further, but maybe it's just something I need to update as we go along, because there's more and more projects you have to do throughout this. Like with the front-end development, there's projects here at the end which you can add to your portfolio, and then there's, I don't know about JavaScript. I wonder if that can be added to the portfolio as well. I'm just rambling right now. Let's see that ES6 regular expression. Oh, I hate regular expressions. Functional programming. Okay, so they do have projects down here you can do. Roman numeral converter. Okay. So and then you have responsive web design. Wait, no, it's the first one. I don't know what I'm talking about here. Let's see. So data visualization. Maybe there's some projects here as well. Yeah, right here, visualize data with bar chart, heat map. Choropleth. Interesting. So I'm super excited to get through all of this, but I just got to make sure that I'm doing it every day, which is an issue for me. Some days I'm doing other things and I don't feel like, jumping in 25 minutes and coding plus on top recording a video. But we're gonna keep going what we're going. Like I said, I should be done with this tribute page in 25 minutes tomorrow, hopefully. If I don't sit there and tinker with the CSS forever. The CSS is very basic now. A grid with, changes in the font size because, my aging eyes can't see that little print so well. But if you watch this, I appreciate it. And hopefully I'll see you all tomorrow.